Today, we're diving into the incredible world of liver regeneration. The liver, a powerhouse organ, can face damage from various sources: excessive alcohol, fatty liver disease, hepatitis infections, and certain medications. But here's the fascinating part. The liver is a superhero when it comes to healing. It can regenerate and repair itself, even after damage. This unique ability distinguishes it from many other organs in our body. Tell me, where are you listening from? How can you help your liver bounce back? Making lifestyle changes is crucial. Embrace a balanced diet, rich in fruits, vegetables, and whole grains. Regular exercise not only benefits your overall health, but also supports liver recovery. Avoiding alcohol and unhealthy foods helps immensely. Sometimes medical intervention becomes necessary. Doctors might prescribe medications or recommend therapies tailored to the specific cause and severity of liver damage. In severe cases, surgical procedures may be considered. Remember, early action is key. If you suspect liver damage or experience symptoms like fatigue, jaundice, or abdominal pain, seek medical advice promptly. Timely intervention increases the chances of successful liver recovery. In summary, a healthy lifestyle, prompt medical attention, and avoiding harmful substances are the pillars for a resilient liver. Let's celebrate this remarkable organ's ability to bounce back and regain health. If you want a supplement to help, check out Live Pure in my bio.